Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add custom widgets on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on open. Now just select let's go. And tap on next. Now just give this app this permission. And tap on select folder. Now from here, just select any folder in your smartphone. I will select the downloads folder. And from here, just tap on create new folder. Now from here, just give a name to your folder. Now once you create a name for your folder, just tap on OK. Now just select use this folder. From here, just select allow and tap on use it. Now just tap on close. Now from here, just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. Now just select widgets. And from here, just tap on KWGT and select the widget size which you like. Now from here, you can resize the widget as you like. Now once you resize your widget, then tap on the widget we have just added. And from here, just select any widget style which you like. I will select this one. Now just tap on OK. And from here, you can edit your widget. Now from here, you can increase or decrease the size of your widget. And from here, you can change the color of your widget. For example, if we tap on yellow, we can change the yellow color to red or to any color from here. Just like that. And if you tap on the second color, you can change the second color. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on this icon to save your widget. And this is how you can add custom widgets on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.